Hello friend and welcome back to another lesson from our channel here. And today I will teach you quickly 18 expressions that are useful for you to use in conversation. So, very basic but very important expressions. Let's start with sim, which means yes. Repeat, sim. Next, number 2, não, which means no. Repeat, não. Right, you don't have to do it this way, no, right? Unless you want to be very emphatic, but you say no, no. We also say okay, to mean okay, of course, but you can say that in Brazil if you want to agree with somebody with something like whatever. Whenever you would use okay in English, you can use okay in Portuguese as well. Okay, but we don't say okay, we say okay, or sometimes okay, okay, okay. Good. Now, sorry, we say desculpe. Desculpe, or people will say desculpa, desculpa, desculpe, desculpa. Obrigado, thank you. Obrigado. If you are a man, you say obrigado. Now, if you're a woman, you say obrigada, obrigada. Thank you very much, we say muito obrigado. Repeat, muito obrigado. Now, if you're a woman, muito obrigada. Muito obrigada. Next one is you're welcome. We say de nada. De nada. Com prazer means with pleasure. When you help somebody, they thank you, and you say com prazer. Nice. Next, a qualquer momento means anytime. A qualquer momento. Qualquer. Sem problemas, which means no problem. Sem problemas. Não importa. It doesn't matter. Não importa. Parabéns. Congratulations. Repeat, parabéns. Boa sorte means good luck. Repeat, boa sorte. Estou feliz. I'm happy or I'm glad. Usually you will say, estou feliz que means I'm glad that something. Estou feliz que. Isso é ótimo. That's great. Ou isso é demais. That's awesome. Repeat. Isso é ótimo. Next. Cuidado. Caution or be careful. Cuidado. De jeito nenhum. No way. Repeat. De jeito nenhum. Infelizmente, não é possível. Unfortunately, that's not possible or it's not possible. Infelizmente não é possível. Alright, my friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and also make sure you leave your comment down below letting me know if you learned anything new with this lesson, if you already knew all these expressions or not. And make sure you also share this video with people that want to learn Portuguese. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next class. Bye-bye.